you have toddlers or small kids, you need one of these foldable, portable wagons. You're gonna love this and you're gonna take it everywhere and you're gonna use it even up until they are bigger and you're gonna use it for yourself. I'm gonna show you all the features on this, but at the end I'm gonna tell you one thing that they need to improve on and something that you might wanna add. So let me show you how this unfolds. It unfolds very easily. You can see that all I had to do was push the sides out. It has a handle here that is adjustable. It also has a handle on the back. And you can adjust this if you'd like to have it up higher. I would prefer it up higher, but if you wanted it lower, you could have it lower, or you could put it all the way down the way I had it. This would be really handy if you were trying to go down steps maybe, or across rough terrain, so one person could be in the front, one person could be in the back. And then you have all of these storage pockets. Look at this. This is the size of a diaper bag. This is huge. So there is plenty of room in here for diapers, wipes, changes of clothes, sweatshirts, anything that's gonna need extra space. There are lots of other pockets for snacks, chapstick, sunscreen, umbrella, all the things that you need. Then the top of this is clear, so it will stay waterproof. So let's say you're going to an amusement park and you have tickets or something like that that you don't want to get wet. You can put those in here, or maybe it's the park map. And then this side, you could put your ID here. And then on the front of this, there's even more storage. This is almost the size of a regular fanny pack. But look how much room is in there, lots of room. And then there's a smaller one here, lots of places to put keys, wallets, purses, medicine, anything that you would need to take with you. And that's not all of the storage. There is still more on each side. The sides go down. There are large mesh pockets, more room for hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeve shirts, long pants, anything that you need to take with you. And the same is for the other side. So there's two more mesh pockets here. So there's lots of room for sippy cups, lots of room for toys, stuffies, all the things that the kids want to have. And there's one more storage place here. This has a Velcro on it. This is a little bit more padded. So if you wanted to put something in there that you wanted to keep cool, you could put that inside there. Maybe you have baby bottles, maybe you have baby food that you want to keep in there. There's a large pouch here that you could keep your water jug, water bottle, but there's lots of space in this. And this zips on here. I'm not going to zip this on here because I'm going to show you how the bottom of this goes together, but this zips on here so that the kids will have a place to keep their toys, they can keep their snacks. This isn't super heavy, but it does have a hard bottom, so you could use this. I wouldn't say like a heavy drink, but I think if they had their sippy cup sitting in there, that would be fine. Now there are two seats. Move this out of the way. There are two seats, one on each side, and each one has a 5-point harness. It wraps around their waist, and this comes apart very easy. It wraps around their waist, and then it also buckles up by their shoulders. And then there's also the piece that goes between their legs. Whoops, came apart. But you have this on each side. And then so there's enough room in here for two small kids. There's room right here for their feet. This is the bottom part that goes down here, so they'll have something hard to put their feet on. If you only wanted one child in there, you would have room right here for a diaper bag, a tote bag, purse, pool toys, whatever you want. But this is going to be wonderful for going to festivals. When the kids get older, you can put the hard bottom in here. When the hard bottom is in there, a larger kid could fit in there, or you could use this for toting all of your stuff. Think the pool, beach, baseball games, festivals, sporting events, carnivals, fairs, amusement park, all those things where you need to carry all this stuff, but it's a pain in the butt to carry it in just a couple backpacks. So that is how the bottom of that goes. Now I'm going to show you how the top goes on. This does have a shade canopy top. It comes in a carry bag. Perfect for storage. When you're not using this, you could always stick it in the side here. That way when you needed it, it'd be great if it was sprinkling so the kids didn't get wet. This also has a mosquito net, so I'm going to show you how that works too. You pull these up. Oops. Oh, there we go. Put all 4 of those up. And then this is the canopy that goes on top. And it just snaps into place like that. You put all of these on here, snap them in. This is very easy. My husband put this together for me. All he had to do was attach the large wheels that are in the back, and then this front handle had to be attached, but that was it.
And the handle on the back.
Oh, I'm sorry, and the handle on the back had to be attached as well. I didn't realize that. I guess I wasn't paying attention very good when he was putting it together. So let me put this last one on. There we go. So you can see that goes on pretty easy. So this would not be difficult to take with you and put on, you know, if it starts raining, or let's say it gets cold or something like that, and you wanted to keep the kids warm or out of the sun. So this unzips, and this is where the mosquito shade is, or the mosquito netting. There is Velcro on both sides of this, and it attaches down here. So it's not going to completely cover the side, but it will keep some of the bugs out. And it'll also add extra shade. It's also the same on this side. And there is Velcro on here. But you can see that this goes together very quickly. I'm able to do this by myself. Some things are very complicated, but this is not. This is very easy. This was also very reasonably priced compared to the name brand wagons that you see. There we go. There's also a place here that opens up so you could have either the kids, you could see into the kids, or if you wanted extra ventilation if it was really hot outside. So that is how easy that goes together. Then when you're ready to fold this back up, you just roll it, tuck it back in there. One thing that I did not mention, I'm just going to leave that like that. One thing I didn't mention, on this side, there is also a brake here so that you can keep it from moving. So it keeps the wheels stationary. The front wheels swivel, so this makes it very easy to steer. You can do tight circles with it. It also works real well when you're pulling it. Makes it very easy to steer. And my husband says that the wheels are not plastic, they are rubber. The weight capacity on this is 300 pounds. So it would easily fit 2 toddlers, 2 small kids, and then whatever else you wanted to take with you. This has a very nice handle here. It is covered with, it's not leather, I'm sure it's just plastic, but it's very comfortable, very easy to hold. I'm gonna take this off so I can show you how easy it is to fold it back up. So I'm not gonna roll all these in here. I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to fold back up. But you hold one hand on the, what are we gonna call this?
Upright.
Yeah, on the what?
Upright.
You hold one hand on the upright and then you pull with the other hand. There we go. And then that just folds in half or folds it up and goes back into the carry bag. Now to put these back down, you push the yellow button and push them in. They don't quite go all the way flush down to the plastic, but I don't believe that they will scratch. And then I'm gonna put this down. Put these inside. Take this out. And take the bottom out. Set those on the edge. Push that in. And then, oops, there are two straps here, but there are orange cables inside here. So the orange ones are the ones that you pull so that it folds up. Pull it, push it together a little bit, and then you have two straps on each side so that you can load it. And then make sure that you get the carrier. The only thing that I don't like about this is that there's no way to lock this in place or to keep this together. It would have been nice if they had a strap or some kind of locks here so that when you picked it up, it didn't open up. My husband suggested maybe buying Velcro straps or something like that to keep it together. You could probably use bungee cords, ratchet straps, or something like that if you needed to. So that is it. This is definitely a good value for the money. I would highly recommend this.